Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. Also students, start studying for your unit test, right? See, we were doing English poem number 8 with a friend, and you have understood the meaning of the poem and a short exercise also. Today we'll do one new exercise which is in your textbook itself. So take out your textbooks. Okay students, page number 51. In poem number 8 only, page number 51, there is the exercise learn new words, right? Let us learn about this exercise. Make new sentence by using words from the box in place of the words in red. What is the question? That the words which are written in red, can you see these words which are written in red? You have to change these words. Instead of these words, you have to pick a word from help box, but the sentence should be correct. Let us see first one. The tiger is sleeping in his den. What is written in red, children? Den. So, instead of den, you will find a new word from the help box. See, the tiger is sleeping in his, find the correct answer. What can be done? Cage. See, cage is the correct answer because if we put cage instead of den, the sentence will have some meaning. See, the rest of the sentence will remain the same as it is. Only the word in red you will change. The tiger is sleeping in his cage. C-A-G-E. Cage. Okay children. Now second one. The children are eating apples. Now instead of apples we can also put some other fruit. Let us search the correct answer in the help box. Camels, stairs, they, no. Mangoes, yes. Mangoes is the name of a fruit. So instead of apples, you will write mangoes. The children are eating mangoes. M-A-N-G-O-E-S. Okay. The children are eating mangoes. Third one. Rohan is sitting on a horse. Rohan is sitting on a horse. Horse instead of horse. Let us find a new word. See, camel. Yes, the first option is correct. So we will write, the remaining sentence will remain the same. Rohan is sitting on a camel. Have you ever visited desert area? There you have seen camels. So you all, like Rohan is sitting, you also love to sit on a camel, right? See, now fourth one. Amita is reading a letter. Which word is in red, children? Letter. So we will replace letter with any correct word. Amita is reading a, let us find the answer. Stairs, day, no, book. Yes, book is matching. So, Amita is reading a book. B-O-O-K. Okay, now sentence 5. Rima is making tea. Rima is making tea. Instead of tea, we will search one word which will make another correct sentence. See, Rima is making, find the correct answer. Yes, coffee. So you will write C-O-F-F-E. Okay. Rima is making coffee. And the last one, Arif is climbing the tree. Arif is climbing the tree. Now only one option is left. See, Only one answer is left. The other options are there to confuse you. Don't get confused, children. You have to just choose your correct answer and forget about the extra options. Arif is climbing the tree. So, Arif is climbing the day? No. Arif is climbing the hop? No. What will be our answer? Arif is climbing the stairs. You know stairs? सीढ़ियाँ होती है ना? So, Arif is climbing the stairs. S-T-A-I-R-S. Okay, children. So, I hope this exercise is clear for you and you have done along with me in your textbook. Now, we'll move to another short exercise, exercise B. See, the other exercise is about look at the pictures and tick the correct word. You have to look at the picture and two options are given. You have to tick the correct one. See, remember one and more than one. This is a tree or trees. This is a tree or trees. This is a single tree, right? Trees is the plural form when there are more than one. But here you can see only one. So our answer will be tree. Okay, good work. Now next. What is this picture telling you? It is one or more than one? More than one, right? Two. So, cat or cats? What will be the answer, children? Cat or cats? It is more than one. So, our answer will be cats. Okay. Then, the next one is, wow, so cute picture, right? So, this is one or more than one? Puppy or puppies? Yes, children, the answer will be puppies. Very good. See, what is this? Only one. You cannot see more than one in the picture. So, brush or brushes? Brush. Okay, children? Very good. It's very easy exercise. What are these? These are marbles. But you can see one or more than one? Of course, you can see more than one. So many colors. So, marble or marbles? Marbles. Because it is plural form of marble. Good work. Next one is, wow, this is a dress. You can see many dresses? No, you can see only one dress. So, our answer will be dress. Okay, children? So, let us see our score. All correct. Very good. So, I hope these two exercises are clear for you. Very easy. So, we'll meet in the next video lesson. Till then, take care. God bless you. Keep smiling.